Where are we going, team?
It's seeing where there's a big mountain of snow to go sledding.
A big mountain, exactly.
Wait, we're walking there?
Yeah, what do you think? We've been there.
Is it cute?
Look at the camera. Okay.
Is it cute?
Yeah, it is.
Where are we going, baby?
What?
Where are we going?
Sledding.
Who are we?
What do you mean? Bonnie and Clyde?
No.
What?
More with Morrisons?
Oh yeah, more information's that. We still need to come up with like a slogan or a tagline.
A slogan? We're the best.
We're the best in the whole entire world.
That's a good one. That's a good one.
We got some competing to do with these other YouTube kitties.
Don't I? Don't you?
Hey, he dabbed though.
Who did? Do it again.
Double dab.
Don't you?
Yeah.
That was not that much speed, kind of.
Look at that. Walking in a line.
I look like a,
Mommy.
I don't know. What?
You look beautiful.
Go, Daddy.
Oh, no, 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 no.
You're like, wow, look at those amateurs.
What the hell?
You want to ride by yourself or with me?
With me.
You want to go by yourself or with me?
Or with Daddy? Okay. Sit down, Daddy. Daddy, hold my hands.
How this goes good.
Are you gonna push him?
Yeah, we fall together. Nice and
3, 2, 1, go! You hold on to the spot.
Oh my gosh, we suck.
I just wanted to make you hold it, Mommy.
I know, I'm sorry, I failed you.
oh, I'm not a good sledder. I'm not a good sledder at all.
Daddy,
Yeah?
I just want to go on myself.
Okay.
Well, I want you to make a snowball.
You want me to make a snowball?
Yeah, and then get it to me and I throw it at you.
What? That's messed up.
I support it.
Aiden.
Yeah, buddy.
Oh god.
Ready?
He hit me. He hit me, but now it's war.
He's snorting?
Oh, you want me to give you one?
Okay, are you gonna go on the sled?
I'm thinking tomorrow I'll have to like meditate in the car for like 10 minutes, do like some yoga stretches, and then take the jump.
Oh my god. You guys,
Prepare my mind and my body.
at least we'll have it on video when you know.
I'll ride it like this.
Dad.
Huh. Oh, he wants to go with me?
Mm-hmm.
You don't want to go like this? I don't think so.
We're gonna do that one next though.
God, that's ugly, baby. That's ugly. You'll see that later. You'll see it later.
You're gonna sit in front of Aiden. Oh yeah, you wanna go by yourself? Then come here. Oh, sorry.
You learn a lot about yourself on the trek back up. It's easy going down. You see that man? He copied my idea. Head first. I think I want to try to go standing up again.
Let's watch this.
Maybe I should try like kneeling.
But you're all or I was to say you're all or nothing kind of guy, right? Hurry, go! I'm running out of space.
Welcome back to More with Morrisons. Today, I kind of prefaced it in the video yesterday of doing some extreme things today. So, in the Cincinnati area, Ohio, there's that big northwestern storm that came all over. So I got two friends of mine to go with me, and we're gonna attempt to jump in some really cold water. And there's one now.
What's up, man?
Hey, how's it going, pal?
Good.
Did you shovel this whole driveway?
Nope, my teenagers did.
Teamed up with two other hard-ass gentlemen, Chad Hofler. Hafler, won't mess that up again. Mr. Zach Fisher. And we are gonna do some Wim Hofing today. We're gonna take a dip, more than a dip. We're gonna take a swim in this lovely water here. So, just out of curiosity, what made you decide to come along on this journey today, Zach?
Because you asked me, man. I'm down whenever you ask me.
That's like a great answer right there. You know, that's a friend you need. What about for you, Chad? You looking for anything specific from this endeavor?
I always enjoy a good challenge in my life, and kind of with him, you just asked me, and I don't have a lot of people in my life that challenge me as far as doing crazy shit, so this is perfect.
Oh, I'm going to use this freezing cold water to try and connect my heart and mind a little bit, to grow as a person. So I personally believe, and a lot of people talk about going through hardships, and when you're faced with hardships in your present day life, it reminds you of past tense hardships that you've gone through before. And so I'm gonna use this freezing cold heart and mind pairing experience to kind of overcome any lingering traumas I have, you know, that I'm holding on to in my mind or body. It's cold, ain't it?
Fuck yeah.
Oh goodness.
I like you. You're not wasting any time.
Yeah, I was like, I came here to get some shit done. I wonder if I could set this thing up in here. Oh man, you're moving quick, Zach. How's that feel? I say we're all a little crazy.
Yeah.
You start your timer?
How long you shooting for?
3 or 4 minutes.
4 minutes. Oh man. All right. Man, I can't be the last one in there. This is nothing like I planned it. Just saying.
You wanted to do your breathing and shit?
Yeah. I wanted to breathe a little bit, take 10 minutes to meditate, you know, pull out some tarot cards, get me some spiritual wisdom. Y'all want to be hard asses. There it is. Atta baby.
Ooh.